All right, it's your turn. In today's tutorial, we're going to be working on turns. And turns are one of my favorite things to use because we can travel across the stage, we can move the costume, we can do them slow, we can do them fast. And turns take a lot of effort, you take a lot of practice and drilling. So today we will be working on our turns and doing lots of drills. Hope you enjoy it. Hi there, welcome to Together We Move Forward. Today is all about the turns. So we're going to do various turns, level changes, taking them high, taking them low. And the most important thing you want to think about in a turn is most of the time you really need to spot that turn. And what that means is your head has to come around really fast. So if I'm turning to the left, I'm going to keep looking at myself in the mirror, keep looking, body is going, feet are going, and then snap that head around as fast as you can. So we call it spotting. So here we go, spot, spot. So make sure you're drilling those spots so you can keep your balance and you can keep in time with the music. So let's go over today's combination. Your weight is going to start on the left. You're going to cross on the right. Great. So cross the right foot over, turn towards the left shoulder. Cross right, turn left. Then we're going to do a chaîné to the left, and then we're going to do a sway. You have a lot of time there, so take your time with that. Just sway and reach, release the head. We're going to cross the left foot, turn to the right, sway to the right, then come down. We're going to do a low turn. So what that means is you're going to bring the legs together, lean the body, take the torso away, and make sure you're not going to cross that foot over. This is the come together. The feet just come together on that turn. So we're going to go right low turn, change left, and then take your hips between your arms. So now we're going to step left, right foot comes in together here. Then we're going to do arms to the right, go up high on the balls of your feet, go right, left, right, down. We call this the halo turn. So you're going to give yourself a halo. Now we're going to add the turn here. Now turn left, lift. Now we go from the beginning. Cross, right, turn left, turn to the left. Reach up 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1, 2, 3, 4. Reach 5, 6, 7, 8. Low turn on the right. Low turn on the left. Step right, 2, 3, 4. Step left, 2, 3, 4. At the turn and left. Repeat. We go right, turn left, and reach 6, 7, 8. Cross, turn, reach 6, 7, 8. Bring your weight to the left. Low turn on the right. Low turn left. And then we're going to come up, get a nice level change. Lift here and lift. Now take the turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1. Let's put that together with some music. Here we go. Crossing on the right. 6, 7, 8. Cross, turn, reach, and cross, turn, reach. Low turn right. Right. good. Hope you enjoyed that.